Can we bridge the digital divide for online government access? Have you ever wondered if everyone in the United States can easily access online government services? The answer lies in the concept known as the digital divide. This divide highlights the gap between those who have reliable access to the internet and digital technologies and those who do not. It is influenced by various factors, including income, education, race, age, and where people live. As of early 2025, over 93% of Americans are online. However, not everyone has equal access to broadband internet. For instance, lower-income households are much less likely to have broadband at home compared to wealthier families. Additionally, people with lower education levels and older adults often have lower rates of internet subscription and digital skills. When looking at racial demographics, Black and Hispanic populations report lower broadband access than white populations. Rural areas face even more challenges, with broadband subscription rates around 73%, compared to 76% in urban areas and 85% in suburban areas. Device availability also plays a role. Many individuals from lower income or minority groups relying solely on smartphones for internet access. This can limit their ability to complete complex tasks that are often required for government services, which are easier to navigate on desktops or laptops. Moreover, nearly one-third of United States workers lack adequate digital skills, even though most jobs requiring some level of digital competency. This skills gap can make it difficult for people to effectively use online government platforms. Education level is closely linked to digital usage. Areas with higher median incomes and more residents holding bachelor's degrees tend to show higher levels of digital engagement. Conversely, regions with older populations or lower educational attainment often see reduced digital activity. So, what can be done to bridge this divide? One practical step is to expand affordable broadband infrastructure, especially in rural and underserved urban areas. Providing subsidies or programs to make devices like laptops more accessible is another way to help. Additionally, offering digital literacy training targeted at populations with lower skills can make a significant difference. Government initiatives funded through infrastructure investments are already aiming to improve broadband access and digital equity. It is important to recognize that simply having connectivity is not enough. Skills development must accompany it to ensure all Americans can effectively engage with digital government services. Bridging the digital divide for online government access requires addressing disparities in broadband availability, device access, and digital skills. These factors closely align with socioeconomic and demographic indicators such as income, education, race, age, and geography. Progress will depend on coordinated efforts to improve infrastructure, affordability, and education, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to engage with digital government services.